Alright, thank you Sir Kevin and thank you again Excelsior Hotel. Thank you again for giving us an opportunity to display here and share our love for car camping, overlanding, camping there. Alright, game! Game! Mag-game tayo. Mag-game raw tayo. So, parang bring me to. Medyo matinding bring me to kasi medyo malaki ang ating space dito. Pwede kayo magtakbuhan if you want. 5 winners. 5 winners of Ideal Vision Loot Bag for our first set of prizes. Yun naman. Okay. So, the first bring me item. Bring me a picture. Sa cellphone ko siguro yan. Bring me a picture of you and Banayan Adventures. Sticker sa kotse nyo,